These are just chocolate cupcakes, which is the great thing. We have the recipe online, you know, like the homemade cupcakes. But
or you can just use
do a box
mix, right?
Which is great. All right, so you take a cupcake core and core the inside of the cupcake, which if you've never seen one of these before, it's pretty awesome. So then we make the buttercream, you know, which is really easy to make. You have softened butter, and you make sure it's completely blended together. Then you add some vanilla, and a little bit of vanilla.
You want to add the sugar?
Oh my God, I'm eating monkey bread.
Peppermint extra.
Okay, I'll add the sugar. I don't want her to stop eating her monkey bread.
Then you add the powdered sugar.
I'm going to add this.
All right.
All right.
So once you have the powdered sugar,
look like
you
a
add
DeLorean
some
poster in a
heavy
few
cream.
minutes. Sorry.
Ladies, come on.
I know, I know.
So, yeah, so you add some heavy cream and you wait till it gets really like...
Oh my God. Oh my God.
Maybe avoid that. All right.
And that happens.
All right. The cool thing I like about this recipe, though, is like once...
You've already got it.
I got it done. This is the... All right.
Oh my God.
So... All right, so once you have your buttercream, you have your peppermint buttercream. And this is fun. So you can take some red gel food coloring.
Okay.
And you can just stick a little stick in there or whatever, and you kind of paint the side of your frosting bag.
Oh, so you're striping. That's how he gets the swirlies.
Right.
Show him the swirly, babe. Show him the swirly.
You want to fill your cupcake. You know?
So all you did was just drizzle a little of the food coloring inside.
Yeah, exactly. And then, so you fill it, and then you can pop the top back on.
Oh, and then you pop the little lids back on.
And then you do the swirly on the top.
And then you do the swirl on top, right there.
It's so adorable.
It's so cute, isn't it?
And then you finish it with some peppermint.
Candy cane.